box in which it has arrived. So we're gonna unbox. So there is another box in the box. So let's take it out then. So this is the box. It was a bit heavy. So now let's unbox it. With the monitor in the box, we get the power cable. Then we get the display cable. Somehow we don't get the HDMI cable. Then we have the USB upstream or downstream cable. Then we get the base of the monitor. Then we have the stand, and there is a quick start guide and some safety manual. So that's it. So now let's quickly set it up.